What if I told you that something as simple as toothpaste could completely transform your plants? Stick around, because today I'm going to show you a gardening hack that farmers secretly swear by, and the results will blow your mind. Toothpaste isn't just for your teeth. It's loaded with ingredients that can actually benefit your plants. It has calcium carbonate, silica, and a small amount of fluoride that can help strengthen roots, fight off pests, and even boost soil health in surprising ways. Take a small amount of plain toothpaste, not the gel type, just regular toothpaste. You don't need a lot, just about a teaspoon for each plant will do the trick. Now, dig a small hole near the base of your plant and place the toothpaste inside. Cover it lightly with soil. As the toothpaste breaks down, it slowly releases calcium, which helps strengthen plant cell walls and supports healthy growth. Another hidden benefit: the strong smell of toothpaste can repel certain insects and pests. So, while your plant is growing stronger, it's also getting natural protection.